Last week we showed you how to do a Google review on a PC or Mac through a web browser. Today we're going to use the Maps app on a mobile device. It's available through the Play Store on Android devices if it's not preloaded, or the App Store on iOS. All you do is open up the Map app, search for the business you want to review. Once you've found the correct business, swipe up to get more options. Click on the Reviews tab. Give the business the number of stars that they've earned. Type your comments. Upload a photo or video if you have one. They always add to the validity of the review. And click Post. And you'll get a nice little reward from Google for doing so. And that's all there is to it.